Wow, look at what we have here. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ trim level with a Z07 package. Wow, this one is loaded up. Let's put it that way. Not a lot of options I can come up with that you don't have on this car. Now, as far as color, Laguna Blue, and the paint on this is extremely nice. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, little over 5,000 miles on this car. Now, when I mentioned that Z07 package, take a look up here at the front wheels. You're going to have Brembo carbon fiber brakes, or I should say carbon ceramic brakes. Michelin Super Sport Cup 2 tires. The carbon fiber appearance package, or aero package, that actually delivers true downforce. There's an adjustable wing in the back. That actually results in an estimated 1.2 G cornering capabilities, which gives this thing a true track car performance level. 6.2 liter supercharged V8 LT4 underneath the hood, 650 horse, 650 pound-feet of torque. That's paired with a 7-speed manual transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay and check out the undersides of the car, check out the interior trunk, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Not a lot of these available throughout the states, let alone loaded up like this one. As you can see, the front, it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Now, the other thing I'm going to point out is if I get up on top of this, depending on how that light reflects off that front fascia, these two blues, they do match. Sometimes with the plastic and the fascia, depending on how the light comes off and with the camera, sometimes they'll look like they do not match. But right there is your true color. That front fascia matches. Again, I have not seen any paint work done on this car. Carfax is clean title, no accidents indicated. This car is just what you'd expect, a little over 5,000 mile car. Now, I mentioned 3LZ package. This car is going to have 19-inch wheels in the front, 20-inch in the rear. It's going to have magnetic ride control, specific stabilizer bars and unique springs, the standard electronic limited slip differential, dry sump oiling system, and active exhaust. I mentioned the 7-speed manual transmission is going to have the Chevy MyLink system. That 3LZ also navigation, the leather instrument panel, and also leather on the door and center console. Suede leather inserts. And it does have the performance data video recorder also. So, I mean, completely loaded. And there's many things that I'm missing, just kind of highlighting on some of the high performance and specific stuff. Of course, you have all your dual climate control, your electronic climate control, memory seats, power seats, windows, locks, cruise, all of that stuff. Now remember, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You want to double check with your sales associate when you call in or email. Center dump exhaust, of course, the top is power. Black top in nice shape. We're going to take a little peek at that when we check out the engine bay. We're going to put the top up, let you take a look at that also. So again, 2015 Chevrolet Z06 3LZ package. Z07 option also added to it, in very nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, all your steering wheel controls, driver's information center, so many things on these cars. One thing I did notice, I have to put a little air in the tires, pulled it inside and a couple were low, so it is going to show that. But there's your miles, 5,382. Audio, Of course, here's for performance recording. Now there's a couple other things I want to tell you about in this car. K40 electronics radar detection system. This is the 360 radar detection system. You want to go to their website to read about it. Extremely sophisticated, high-tech radar detection system that is built into the car. It has two little warning lights up here, and it also is voice activated. See if I can.
Menu, female voice. Male. Female voice. Voice on. Wake up short. Auto mute on.
That is all part of the K40 electronics. Like I said, go ahead, go to their website, read about it. This is a remote control that runs everything.
Exit.
Now, there's also one other thing that I want to show you. Right up here for safety and security, there's a camera here. You can see that right now. And that is a black view dash cam. And again, safety and security, that's going to record if it notices motion around the car when it's plugged in. It can also be recording when you're driving, if there's any sort of accident situation. Also has that. So that's on top of everything I've already went through on this car. Again, that K40 360 radar detection system, that's a three to four grand install right there, and another, I suppose, $200 to $400 on the black view up here. And as you can see, interior of this car, everything else, just like you'd expect. Heads-up display, everything in nice shape. It's a 5,000 mile car. It's what you would expect. Slip around to the back. Again, does have the active exhaust system on it. It's not going to be crazy unless you get on it under throttle and you want it to make some noise. Other than that, nice sounding, mild-mannered Corvette until the time comes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to put up the roof so we can check out that convertible top, and I'm going to pop the hood on this too so we can check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's the power plant. This is a Z06 hood liner. That vented hood that is functional, helping to keep this LT4 supercharged V8 cool. And again, underneath the hood, just what you'd expect. Nice and tidy. There's the exterior of the car. No modifications. It's just smooth running, high performance engine. Again, 650 horse, 650 pound-feet of torque. Wow. All right, let's come back here to the convertible top and pop this up. Again, black cloth. It's like new. Rear glass window, rear defogger. No surprises there either. Everything in nice shape on this car. There you go. You want a Laguna Blue 2015 Chevrolet Corvette. Z06 3LZ with a Z07 package, low miles, clean Carfax. Here it is. Phone number, one last time, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. I've tried to hit a lot of the highlights of this car. There's many more. If you've researched these, you know as much about them as I do. If you have any questions on this specific one, please feel free to call or shoot us an email. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate just to make sure. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. It is a beauty.